Folks, this is Cara. So I am very excited to do this quick unboxing for you. This is the Silken Beautiful Technology Infinity hair removal device. This was sent to me. Thank you so much, Silken. And I was really excited to get this. Basically, it does a permanent hair removal. So let me show you for the face, underarms, arms, bikini line, legs, back, and chest. If you hear that background noise, that's my cat Kiwi. She's playing with my foot. And it has EHPL technology. So it uses this technology to do permanent removal. It's called an optical energy device. And yeah, so that's some instructions there. So let me do a quick unboxing for you. This is actually the first time I'm using a home device for hair removal. So it comes in this box. Just gonna open this up. Oh, nice. So it comes in a neoprene hard case, and this is actually perfect for traveling. I would say this is probably about 5.5 or 6 inches square in size. It's not that big. Okay. Oh, there you go. So this is the device. Fits neatly in my hand. And it comes in this large adapter. The plug actually is quite big, but it has these adapters in it, so you can use it internationally. This is fantastic. Perfect for traveling. And then over here, put that aside, this is a cleaning cloth and some of the product information. So if you were curious about what this device in the box looks like, this is what it looks like. I will leave some information in the comments so you can check out Silken and perhaps order the Infinity device. I will do another video or a blog post regarding my experience using this. But for now, I was excited to kind of share that quick unboxing for you. Okay, thanks for joining me. And yeah, leave me some comments if you've ever used this device before and give me some tips. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.